The iPhone 16 Pro gets a bigger display and the 5x tetra prism zoom from the Max without a price hike. Add in promising Apple Intelligence features, a smarter Siri, and longer battery life, and this is a compelling flagship phone value. I just wish the charging speed got a boost and that visual intelligence and ChatGPT weren't coming later. The iPhone 16 Pro has a few key upgrades that I appreciated during my testing. There's a sharper 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a faster 48 megapixel main fusion camera with zero shutter lag, and the 5x tetra prism zoom borrowed from the Pro Max series. In addition, photographic styles are integrated directly into the Camera and Photos app, so you can change skin undertones and the mood effect of your photo on the fly. Plus, you can tweak it after the fact. To test the iPhone 16 Pro's faster performance, I had my son take a photo of me shooting a jump shot side by side with the iPhone 15 Pro, and the result is brighter and more detailed image. How does the iPhone 16 Pro compare to the best camera phones? I shot a number of pictures using the iPhone 16 Pro alongside the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL to find out. I put the ultra-wide camera to the test on the iPhone 16 Pro with this shot of a beach and Apple comes out on top. The colors are more natural through the iPhone versus the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and Samsung's peak looks distorted on the right side by the flowers. Here are some camera samples of iPhone 16 Pro. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro is arguably the best flagship phone under $1,000. You get the same excellent cameras as the iPhone 16 Pro Max for $200 less, and I think the screen is big enough at 6.3 inches while being easy to use with one hand. I also like the improved battery life, handy camera control, and compelling audio mix feature for videos. The Apple Intelligence capabilities such as writing tools, the new Siri, and cleanup show promise, but some of the more exciting features like ChatGPT integration, image playground, and the Google Lens like visual intelligence are coming later. In terms of the competition, I think the Galaxy S24 Plus and Google Pixel 9 Pro have more compelling AI features right now, but I prefer the camera system from the iPhone in many cases and the extra performance from its A18 Pro chip. Should you upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro? If you have an iPhone 13 Pro or older phone, I'd say yes. And if you have an iPhone 14 Pro, I'd say wait to see how well Apple Intelligence works once it fully rolls out before you buy.